In today's video, I'm going to teach you about ClickUp versus Notion and help you decide which productivity tool might be better for your needs. Both of these tools have made a significant impact in the productivity space, each offering unique features aimed at enhancing how we organize tasks, projects, and everyday activities. Our goal today is to dig deeper into what makes each of them special and how they can cater to different audiences. Let's start with ClickUp. When you visit ClickUp's website, the first thing you'll notice is its clean and intuitive dashboard that's specifically built for efficient project management. ClickUp stands out by offering a comprehensive suite of tools tailored for managing tasks, setting and achieving goals, creating automated workflows, and generating insightful reports. It's an all-in-one platform that brings everything you need into a single workspace. This versatility makes it particularly appealing for teams looking for robust project management capabilities. The pricing structure of ClickUp is also straightforward, featuring three primary plans: Unlimited, Business, and Enterprise, each offering incrementally more robust features based on your needs. On the other hand, when you head over to Notion's website, you'll immediately sense its minimalistic and elegant design. Notion prides itself on its simple interface that places a strong emphasis on notes and collaboration, making it incredibly user-friendly for personal organization and knowledge management. One of Notion's most notable features is its extensive template library, which allows users to quickly get started without having to build everything from scratch. Additionally, Notion offers features such as docs and database management, exemplary for people who prefer a more flexible workspace. The pricing for Notion is structured across 4 tiers: Free, Plus, Business, and Enterprise, ensuring there's an option available for varying levels of need from individuals to larger organizations. Overall, our quick takeaway today is this: ClickUp is best suited for those who require comprehensive tools for team project management. Its all-in-one platform is tailored for complex project needs, making it an excellent choice for businesses prioritizing collaborative efficiency. Conversely, Notion shines as a tool for personal organization and knowledge management. Its emphasis on simplicity, collaboration, and customizable templates makes it an ideal option for individuals or teams looking for a flexible and intuitive workspace that can adapt to personal styles and workflows. By weighing these aspects, you can choose which tool lines up best with your productivity needs. Whether you're managing extensive projects with a team or organizing your personal tasks, each tool offers features that can help optimize your workflow. We hope this breakdown has made your decision-making process a little clearer. Thanks for tuning in to our comparison of ClickUp and Notion.